Welcome back, student. Study. I had explained as some question, remaining question of self practice 3I, and I explained important properties relating to HCF and LCM. So I had given one formula, I had written, and I explained also one formula as relation between HCF and LCM. As I explained here, HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of numbers. Product of numbers. Product of numbers. So in this way, by this formula, you can do exercise 3J, self practice 3J. Self practice 3J you can do. Self practice 3J you can do. So here first question, it is given, complete the following table. One has been done for you. It is given serial number, column 1 and column 2. In column 1, first one has been done, A has been done. 9 into 12 is equal to 108. Means product of number it is given, and product of HCF and LCM also 3 into 36. So 36 into 3, if you multiply, it will come 108. So it is given. So you can fill B, first B you can fill. How you can fill? First B, how you can fill? As product of numbers given, you can write in copy, you can make a box, but you can explain one by one. Without explaining, without doing, don't fill the table. Before filling the table, you solve nicely in your copy. After that, you can write the answer. It is given product of numbers. Product of numbers, it is given as 15 multiplied by 20. 15 multiplied by 20. It is given product of numbers. So you can multiply simply. As to fill, what should be fill? Here you can multiply here. So 0, 15 to the 30. It will be 300. Very simple. And after that, product of HCF and LCM. So product of numbers it is given. So product of HCF and LCM, what will be? So you find out the LCF of 15 and 20 and the LCM of 15 and 20. Now you find out this is first number and this is second number. This is first number, this is second number. To fill column 2, this is column 1. To fill column 2, you find out HCF of 15 and 20 and also LCM of 15 and 20. So here you can find out HCF of 15 and 20. So you can divide, you can use division method as 20 to 20 is like dividend, and by 15 you can divide this because 20 is greater, 15 is less. So greater number you can put as like dividend and you can divide this. 15 1 ja 15, here 5. Now 5 will be division and 15 will be dividend. 5 3 ja 50. So you can see remainder is 0. So now 5 will be HCF. HCF 5 will be HCF. HCF of 15 and 20 is equal to 5. So 5 will be HCF. Like that you can find out LCM. So LCM is equal to, you can find out LCM like that 15 and 20. You can also use division method. By 2 you can divide, 15 cannot be divided, you can write as it is 15 and 2 times the 15. By 2 again you can divide, 15 is not divided by 2, you can write as it is and 2 5 is 10. After that by 3 you can divide, 3 5 is 15 and 5 cannot be divisible by 3. At last you can divide by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5. After that you can find out LCM. 2 into 3 into 5. You can see 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60. So 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12 and 12 5 is 60. 60 is LCM of the number. So LCM is 16. You can write here LCM is equal to 60. So after that it is given in column 2 product of SCF and LCM. So you can fill in column 2. In column 2 you can fill product of LCM and SCF, means SCF multiply by LCM. You can take SCF as 5 here. In the place of SCF you write 5 multiply by, in the place of LCM you write 60. After that 65 is 300. So 300 will be LCM, product of SCF and LCM. So in this way you can take SCF and LCM as the same way product of numbers. If you have one like that product of number, if you have 300, so take your mind, this product of number also must be equal to SCF and LCM. So there is no need to find out SCF and LCM. I explained it as to show you the fact what is relation between the numbers with LCM, the numbers with SCF. So product of numbers also is equal to the product of SCF and LCM. If you have product of numbers 300, so directly you can write by this formula. This is the formula. This is the important formula. By this using formula, you can see product of numbers is equal to SCF and LCM. So in this way, if you have product of numbers as 300, 15, first number is 15, second number is 20. So you can write directly, it is column 1, in column 2, you can fill directly SCF, like this also you can do, SCF multiply by LCM equal to also 300. Also 300 you can fill this also 300. Why? Because here I have proved this as finding out SCF and finding out LCM. It is for only for satisfaction. But in exam you can fill directly. If you have two numbers 15 and 20 like that, you can get multiplication result as product, and after finding product the same will be, what is the product of two numbers, the same will be SCF and multiply by LCM. The result will come, same will be the product of SCF and LCM as same as 300. So in this way, if you have product of the two numbers, you can write directly as product of SCF and LCM equal to also 300. So 300 this one also and 300 this one also. But here I have solved as for your satisfaction. So to understand the question, so you can solve directly if you have idea, and this is for only understanding that this fact, this proof this process proves the fact of the relation between SCF and LCM with product of numbers. So it is equal. Here you can see symbol of equal. So again you listen carefully. If you have product of numbers like that 300, so you can write directly the product of SCF and LCM same as 300 because it is relation. It is relation between SCF and LCM with product of numbers. Next. You can see question number C. First C, it is given first number and second number, means product of numbers 21 and 24. 21 multiplied by 24. What should be here in box? Fill in the blanks. So multiply this. You can take rough work. 21 multiplied by 24. You can take rough work. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. You can take plus as 4, 8 to 10, 0 1 carry, 4 1 5. 504. You have here 504. So you can fill this 504. 504. So after this second column, what will be LCM and HCF both? So you can find out LCM and HCF of the number, then you can prove this. So you can explain this. Without explaining, don't do, because there is no LCM, HCF and there is no LCM. There is no HCF and there is no LCM. So firstly you find out, as to fill column B, you find out HCF of 21 and 24 and LCM of 21 and 24. So in this way you can find out HCF also, you can find out LCM also, because you have not HCF and LCM. You have two numbers, but you have not HCF and LCM. Only you have the product of numbers. By the product of numbers, you have, like that you can see as before questions, as first number and second number. If you multiply first one, you see first one was 15 multiplied by 20. First one was 15 multiplied by 20. So it is fact that if you multiply, you got 300. If you divide 300 by 15, 15 to the 30, 0 here and 0 here. So in this way you can see as 20, you have 20. So you can take first, if you divide that product of that number, you can get second number if you divide by first number. But here you can find out the SCF and LCM of the number. Without finding SCF or LCM, you cannot write. So in this way you find out SCF and LCM of 21 and 24. So SCF, first we find SCF 24, you divide by 21, 21 1 ja 21, 3 here, remaining 0. Now 3 will be divisor and 21 will be dividend. 3 7s are 21, 0 here. So by 3, the both number has been divided, 24 as 21. So 3 is LCF, 3 is SCF of the number. So SCF is equal to 3. SCF is equal to 3. First you got, and second LCM of the number. Second you get LCM. So LCM means 21. You also use division method and 24. By 2 you divide. 21 is not divisible. 24 means 12 to the 24. By 2 again you divide. 21 is not divisible. 2 6 is 12. By 2 again you divide. 21 is not divisible. 2 3 is 6. Now by 3, 3 7 is 21 and 3 1 is 3. Again by 7, 7 1 is 7 and 1 here. So you can see 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So LCM will be 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24, 24 7 is 24, 7 is 7 4 is 28, 8 2 carry, 7 2 is 14 and 2 16, 116, 68. 168 is LCM of the number. What should we fill? As they are in B, C. So C, column 2, you can fill as multiplication result of SCF and LCM. So you can multiply it. So you can multiply as 3 and 168. So in column B, in column 2, you can fill. In column 2, you can fill SCF multiply LCM equal to, what is SCF? SCF is 3. SCF is 3 multiplied by LCM is 168. 168. You can multiply 3 x 24, 4 here, 2 carry, 3 6 18, 18 and 2, 20, 0, 2 carry, 3 1 3 and 2, 5, 504. It is fact, product of numbers must be the product of SCF and LCM. If here product of number is 504, the product of SCF and LCM also must be 504. So firstly, you can find out SCF of the number and LCM of the number. After finding out SCF and LCM, anyway, any method you can use. We have SCF 3 and we have LCM 168. After that, according to formula, it is given product of SCF and LCM means SCF multiplied by LCM. So you have SCF 3 here, 3 multiplied by LCM is 168, 168. You can multiply, you can get 504. So that 504 is same as the product of numbers. In this way, you can fill. You can do question number D yourself. D is very easy. I can solve. Question number 1D. You can see 20, column first, 20 multiplied by gaps given and equal to 240. Equal to 240. So first column, as column first, how can you solve? if you have one number and you have the product of the numbers, as you can consider, let here it will be x. Let here it will be x, means 20 multiplied by x. Suppose to first number is given 20 and second number is x. Let the second number is other number is x, and first number multiplied by second number, the product is 240. So you can find out easily, as if the first number is here, you can find out second number. So suppose to second number is equal to this, second number is equal to what I have taken as let considering x. So x is equal to, you divide this product by first number. You divide this product by first number. So 240 divided by 20. 240 divided by 20. So this is 0 to 0 cancel. 2 1 are 2. 2 12s are 24. 2 12s are 24. So it will come 12. It will come 12. So other number is 12. Other number means second number. Second number is equal to 12. After that, column second. For column second, you can do yourself. For column second, for column 2, for column 2, you can find out SCF and LCM of 20 and 12. First number is 20 and second number in the place of x, now it is here 12. In the place of x, value of x is 12, means second number is 12. So SCF and LCM of 20 and 12. So firstly you find out SCF of 20 and 12, and second time you find out LCM of 20 and 12. After that, finding SCF and LCM, you can multiply them together and you can have the answer. So by this way, next step you solve yourself, and question number second, third, fourth, fifth I will solve tomorrow. Today's class, thank you.